How to fill Artex and rough surfaces with filler.
Step 1. Remove bumps and ridges. Using a scraper, knock back any high spots to create a flatter, more even surface. This will reduce the amount of product you use and increase the surface area for better adhesion. Step 2. Apply the filler. Using either a roller or a trowel, apply the filler in long, even strokes in the same way you would paint, covering as much of the surface as possible. Do not worry about full coverage at this stage, as this will be built up with the second coat. Step 3. Sand once dry. Check the recommended drying time on the packaging and wait until the product is completely dry before sanding. Once finished, wipe away any dust. Step 4. Apply second coat. Apply a second coat to fill any remaining low spots and level off the surface. Work as smoothly as possible to minimize the amount of sanding needed afterwards. Allow the second coat to dry fully, then sand for a smooth finish if required. Remove all dust before moving on to painting.